Hi friends, today I'm sharing 7 of my favorite healthy summer snacks. Easy to prepare, easy to pack, and perfect for the patio, porch, a road trip, or even a picnic. Everything here is budget friendly and packed up using Dollar Tree containers, just like I did in my purse videos. So let's dive in. First up is one of my absolute favorites, mini guacamole cups paired with sweet potato crackers. This snack is so quick to put together and honestly feels a little fancy, especially when you pack it right. I found this cute little 3-compartment container at the Dollar Tree. It's perfect for this combo. In one small compartment, I tuck in a wholly guacamole single. These are lifesavers when I want portion control and that fresh guac flavor without having to mash anything. Then, in a little condiment cup, I also found these in packs at the Dollar Tree. I add about a tablespoon of restaurant-style paste salsa. It's my favorite brand because it gives that just right little kick. Now, for the larger compartment, I fill it with my sweet potato crackers. They have a nice crunch and pair so well with the creamy guac and zesty salsa. Sometimes I swap these out for multigrain chips or even sliced cucumbers if I want to mix it up. And the best part, this container makes it feel like I'm treating myself, whether I'm heading out for errands, setting up on the porch with a book, or just need a little afternoon pick-me-up. I absolutely love pickles and cheese. So this next snack is one of my go-tos, and it's so quick to assemble. I found this round 2-compartment container at the Dollar Tree, and it even comes with built-in utensils, which I love for easy snacking on the go. For the cheese, I'm a big fan of Tillamook, and their white, sharp cheddar squares are perfect. I add a few to one side of the container, great for road trips or just a little afternoon snack. On the other side, I pack in my favorite pickles. They're called Oh Snap Dilly Bites. You'll find them in the produce section. They come already sliced and full of flavor, so they're perfect for tossing into this snack bowl. I even use them on sandwiches, but honestly, they're great all on their own, and they come in different flavors. Once it's packed, I pop it in the fridge, and it's ready whenever I need a salty little bite. I've always been a big fan of bagels. Growing up, we had a little bagel shop near our home, and it was such a treat to stop by and grab them fresh and warm. So anytime I can make a snack with bagels, it brings me right back to those cozy mornings with my family. For this snack, I use Thomas's Mini Bagels. You can go with plain, whole wheat, or something fun like cinnamon or blueberry if you want a little sweetness. I like using the mini ones because they're the perfect size for a snack, and they fit neatly into these round plastic containers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. They're budget friendly, and I reuse them all the time. Now here's a little tip. Whipped cream cheese makes this step much easier. I always go with the Philadelphia brand. It spreads like a dream, and it gives that creamy, familiar flavor that we all love. And I spread about a tablespoon on each half of the bagel. And as I do this, I think of how I used to make those little sandwiches for my daughter when she was in school. Quick, comforting, and delicious. To make it feel more special, I like to layer in something extra on top of the cream cheese. Strawberries are one of my favorites. They slice up easily and taste so fresh. Or if you're craving a bit of crunch, a few roasted pecans add the perfect texture and a little protein. You can also try thinly sliced apples with a pinch of cinnamon or even a few pumpkin seeds in the fall. You really can tailor these to the season. Once I've added my toppings, I gently press the top half of the bagel back on and tuck it into the container. I usually make a few of these at a time, and I keep them in the fridge. If I'm heading out, I grab one, toss it in a cooler bag with an ice pack, and I'm good to go. They're surprisingly filling, and they give you a nice mix of carbs, protein, and fiber, depending on what you add. It's such a satisfying snack, and it's perfect with coffee in the morning or in the afternoon when you just need something cozy. And here's a little reminder, when you prep these ahead of time, it's not just about saving time, it's about taking care of yourself in small ways. Having a snack like this ready to go means I'm less tempted to grab something I don't really want, and it's simple and it's nostalgic and it's totally doable. I found this really cool container at the Dollar Tree, and I loved that it had two sides plus a little condiment cup tucked right in the middle. It's perfect for this next snack because it keeps everything neat and separated. Great if you're like me and you don't want your chips getting soggy. I unscrewed both ends and took the condiment cup out so I could get everything packed. Now for a little Mediterranean-inspired snack, one of my favorites. I'm using tzatziki. It's creamy, garlicky, has a little tang, and it just feels refreshing, especially on warm days. I usually find it in the deli section near the hummus, and honestly, if you prefer hummus or want a little of both, you can easily divide the cup and do a mix. For the chips, I go with Cedar's Baked Original Pita chips. They're crunchy, but not too hard, and they don't break apart when you dip. I just fill both sides of the container with them, easy, and you could definitely swap in sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, or baby bell peppers on one side if you're looking to add more veggies. I spooned a couple of tablespoons of tzatziki into the condiment cup, snapped it back into the middle, and I closed up both ends. I love this little setup. It's compact, it's reusable, and it keeps everything just where it should be. I keep a couple of these packed in the fridge during the week, and when I need something that feels like a treat but doesn't weigh me down, this is what I reach for. It's perfect with some iced tea or lemonade. It's light, it's crunchy, and has that satisfying savory flavor that I crave in the afternoons. And if you're trying to snack a little smarter like I am these days, this one really helps me stay on track. It tastes indulgent, but it's all made with simple, good ingredients. This next snack couldn't be easier, and it's perfect for the morning or even after a walk. I use Oikos Triple Zero vanilla yogurt and pair it with a little bit of Grape-Nuts. It's crunchy, it's filling, and has that nostalgic feel since you used to find this combo pre-packed at the store years ago. I portion the yogurt into a small container and use a little condiment cup for the Grape-Nuts. Both fit perfectly into a long snack box I had on hand. But Dollar Tree has these, or just use what you've got. Toss in a spoon, maybe a few berries on the side if you like, and bring along a thermos of coffee. It's the perfect light breakfast to take on your porch, your patio, or even to the park with a friend. This one makes such a great little protein snack or midday pick-me-up. I use these slightly deeper containers from the Dollar Tree. They're perfect, and you can totally wash and reuse them. I like to prep boiled eggs for the week and usually fit 2 in each container. And if you're like me and love a little salt and pepper, I found these adorable mini refillable shakers on Amazon. They come in a 4-pack and fit perfectly inside. Toss in a knife and napkin and you're good to go. I'll link those cute shakers in the description too. This next one is my favorite, and it brings back so many memories. I used to love those mornings with a bowl of cereal, reading the back of the box like it was the newspaper, and searching for the little toy inside. It was such a simple joy. And honestly, I think they should bring those surprises back for us grown-ups. Wouldn't that be fun? And so here's my adult version. I take a round container and add my favorite low-sugar chocolate cereal. You'll usually find these healthier kinds in the natural foods aisle, and they totally hit the spot. Sometimes I eat it dry for a crunchy, chocolatey snack, but when I'm heading out, I pour my almond milk, unsweetened vanilla from Costco, into a Swell bottle packed with ice. It stays nice and cold, and I've got my spoon and napkin ready to go. And one tip I love, pre-pack a few of these at the beginning of the week. That way you've got a snack that feels like a treat, but still keeps you on track. Whether you eat it with milk or chocolate milk or just crunch away, it's satisfying, simple, and just a little nostalgic. I love having all of these snacks prepped and ready at the start of the week. It saves me time, keeps things easy, and I don't have to overthink what I'm grabbing. Everything is simple to put together, and the containers and ingredients are budget-friendly too. Once it's all packed in the fridge, I feel like I've done something good for myself. As I get older, I'm trying to be more mindful about what I eat, and this helps. If you'd like to plan your own snacks, I made a free printable just for you. Grab it in the description and tell me your favorite summer snack in the comments. And don't forget, you can prep these extra snacks too. And yes, add a little dessert. Scoop ice cream into cupcake liners and freeze them for easy portions. Balances everything, especially in the summer. I hope these snack ideas give you some new favorites this summer. They're easy to prep, don't cost much, and they're perfect for a solo treat on the porch or packing a cooler for a day out. Let me know which one you'll try. And a couple of pro tips before I go. I love packing my snacks up ahead of time in the Dollar Tree containers so I'm not tempted to grab something that I don't need. And my husband can also grab some of the things that I pack as well, if he wants them for work. And don't forget to check both the baby section, seasonal aisles, and the kitchen tool areas for the best containers for snacks. And remember to bring napkins, or you can bring some wet wipes and bring some sanitizers. Don't forget to bring some utensils. And I also get some ice packs, and I also have a couple of my coolers on hand so that I can pack things up. So anyway, I hope that you like what you've seen today, and I'll see you next week. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some fun and budget-friendly ideas to bring into your home. A special shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post weekly with more home decor, party planning, and DIY goodness. Also, check out my shop at Grin and Print on Etsy. I've got some fun games, printables, and party supplies that I know you'll love. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.